Good morning, everyone. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on the air today, Sunday, November the 6th, 2022, at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, we have had a time shift. We've gone back, we've set our clocks back 1 hour. So I'm not even going to try to suggest how this is going to affect the time we're going to be on in other time zones because it gets very, very confusing. Good point for getting rid of daylight savings time. Is that what we've gone into? Daylight savings time? You'd think I would know. I've only been doing it my whole life. But anyways, there's been a change. It's still 4 p.m. Eastern Time. However, you might want to check how that affects your time zone right now. Just Google it. But anyways, so if some of you show up an hour late, or would that be an hour early? See? Very confusing. Let's set up a movement and get rid of time zones. But anyways, as I was saying, we are on the air today, Sunday, November the 6th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. And today's topic, well, we've got a whole lot of things, bits and pieces to talk about. But the big news event right now in the area that we live in Ontario, Canada, is the illegal strike by educational support workers. Yeah, illegal? I don't think so. It's a much bigger problem than just negotiating a new contract right now. The way our government's handling it, well, we'll talk about that. But it is an affront to our freedoms in this country, which is something you don't expect in Canada. Anyways, we're going to talk about that and a bunch of other things. So I hope you'll join in on the conversation. So that's today, Sunday, November the 6th, 2022. Sound like a broken record at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. See you then. Bye-bye.